National Electrical Code Section 680.41 addresses hot tubs, spas, and similar installations. Subsection A, General, states that a hot tub, spa, or similar installation permanently installed in a dwelling unit or other building must be installed according to the manufacturer's instructions. Subsection C, Electrical, paragraph 1, states that the electrical supply to a hot tub, spa, or similar must be by fixed wiring and include ground fault circuit interrupter protection. Ground fault circuit interrupters, often abbreviated as GFCIs, are crucial safety devices designed to protect individuals from electrical shock hazards. They function by monitoring the balance of electrical current flowing between the hot and neutral conductors in a circuit. Under normal circumstances, the current flowing through the hot conductor should precisely equal the current returning through the neutral conductor. However, if a ground fault occurs, such as when current leaks to ground through a person or conductive object, this balance is disrupted. A GFCI is designed to detect even small imbalances in current, typically as low as 5 mA. When an imbalance is detected, the GFCI trips quickly, interrupting the flow of electricity to the circuit. This rapid interruption, usually within a fraction of a second, prevents sustained electrical shock and significantly reduces the risk of serious injury or electrocution. The requirement for GFCI protection for hot tubs and spas is specifically intended to address the increased risk of electrical shock in wet environments. Water is an excellent conductor of electricity, and the presence of water around electrical equipment creates a potentially hazardous situation. By requiring GFCI protection, the NEC minimizes the risk of electrical shock to individuals using or near hot tubs and spas. Several factors contribute to the increased risk of electrical shock in these environments. Firstly, the human body's resistance to electrical current decreases significantly when wet. This means that even a relatively small voltage can cause a dangerous current to flow through the body in a wet environment. Secondly, hot tubs and spas often involve the use of electrical equipment such as pumps, heaters, and lighting fixtures. Any malfunction or installation failure in this equipment could lead to current leakage and create a shock hazard. Thirdly, the close proximity of individuals to water and electrical equipment in hot tubs and spas makes them particularly vulnerable to electrical shock. For these reasons, the NEC mandates GFCI protection as an essential safety measure for these installations. The specific requirements for GFCI protection may vary depending on the particular edition of the NEC in effect at the time of installation. However, the general principle remains the same, that GFCI protection is required for all electrical circuits supplying hot tubs and spas. In addition to the requirements outlined in Section 680.41, other sections of the NEC may also be relevant to the installation of hot tubs and spas. For example, Section 680.42 covers the bonding requirements for these installations, which are intended to ensure that all metal parts are electrically connected to provide a low impedance path for fault current to return to the source. Proper bonding helps to minimize the voltage potential between different metal parts, further reducing the risk of electrical shock. It is important to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that all applicable requirements of the NEC are met during the installation of a hot tub or spa. A qualified electrician will have the knowledge and experience to properly install the electrical wiring, grounding, bonding, and GFCI protection to ensure the safety of the installation. The NEC is updated on a 3-year cycle, so it is important to refer to the latest edition of the code to ensure compliance with the most current requirements. State and local jurisdictions may also have additional requirements or amendments to the NEC, so it is important to check with the local authorities to determine the applicable codes and regulations. Proper installation and maintenance of hot tubs and spas are essential for ensuring the safety of users. Regular inspections of the electrical equipment, wiring, and GFCI protection should be conducted to identify any potential problems. Any damaged or malfunctioning equipment should be repaired or replaced immediately. It is also important to educate users about the potential electrical hazards associated with hot tubs and spas and to provide them with clear instructions on how to operate the equipment safely. By following these guidelines, individuals can enjoy the benefits of hot tubs and spas while minimizing the risk of electrical shock. In summary, NEC Section 680.41 mandates GFCI protection for the electrical supply to hot tubs, spas, and similar installations to protect individuals from electrical shock hazards in wet environments. Consulting a qualified electrician and adhering to the latest edition of the NEC are crucial for ensuring a safe and compliant installation.